Hi, we just finished a brand new photography tutorial. It's called Beginning Photography with Trey Ratcliff. That's me. We begin by throwing out the manual and then gently guiding you into the ways of photography. This is the greatest time ever to become a photographer and explore what is, to me, perhaps the greatest creative tool of our time. I've been all around the world taking photos. I've been to all 7 continents, and I love taking photos in all forms. I love landscapes, I love taking photos of people, I love going to festivals and taking photos, architecture, night photos. In these lessons, we're going to cover all of that and more. These lessons are aimed at beginners, and it's perfect for all ages and all camera types. From mirrorless to DSLR to mobile phones, it doesn't matter. I've got you covered. I've been told I'm pretty good at explaining creative things in a very approachable way. I will show you how not to be afraid of your camera and how to use it to do your own creative bidding. Even better, you'll have a lot of fun as we jump around locations all around New Zealand and go through these lessons together. And speaking of creativity, there's a big emphasis on this subject matter as well throughout the lessons. Because all cameras are so good nowadays, even mobile phones, we'll get through the tech stuff quickly and easily. There's other emphasis in the course on things like composition, how to edit and post-process your photos, how to organize your photos, and more. I'll spend time going through all the nitty-gritty of all the details and settings on your camera, but from the very beginning, I give you permission to shoot in automatic mode. You know, there's a lot of asshole photographers out there that'll make you feel stupid if you don't shoot in manual, or at least less than them. Remember, this camera is actually more of a computer than it is a camera. You spend a lot of money on this thing, it's very smart. And putting it in automatic, it will make the same decisions as a professional 95% of the time. And this, to me, is why it's okay to shoot in automatic. A good photo is so much more about storytelling, composition, and creating something meaningful for yourself. I believe it only appears that we're creating photos, but what we're really doing is creating ourselves. And if I can get you to fall in love with photography as much as I love it, then you'll see the amazing positive impact it has on your life. So join me.